Hi everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to make a head mold for a custom-made full cap wig.
First, find where your hairline begins. Then use an erasable marking pencil to mark the hairline. Use a contour tape, whether it's an A contour, CC contour, or any contour you prefer. Place it along the hairline. Take a roll of Clingfilm and apply a thin, smooth layer over the entire head, covering all the hair. Tie a knot under the chin to secure it. Make sure the film fits snugly but comfortably without wrinkles, keeping it as flat and close to the scalp as possible. Then use tape to secure key areas, such as around the ears, to help hold the film firmly in place. Next, outline the edge of the wig coverage. Start by determining your desired hairline position and contour. Then carefully draw a guideline along the hairline, temples, ear tabs, and the nape of the neck. Next, secure the cling film by applying strips of cell tape over the top. Work evenly around the head, crossing the tape in different directions to build strength. This step is important because it creates a firm, solid shell that will hold its shape once removed. Once the mold is complete, carefully remove it and trim away any excess material. This will give you a clean, accurate head template. Mark all the key reference points, including the crown, left, right, front, and back, as well as the hair direction. These markings will serve as important guides during the production process. To send the template to Top-Neck Hair's factory in China for production, you'll need to purchase their shipping label, which is linked in the description below. The shipping label costs just $39 and is offered at a discounted rate in Melon. Shipping an item to China can cost up to $100. With this label, shipping is fast and reliable, and the package typically arrives within a week. This significantly shortens the overall timeline, allowing production to begin much sooner. Custom orders usually take 6 to 7 weeks to produce. So using this shipping option helps you receive your custom wig as quickly as possible.